All right, after we did a little tweaking with the hinges, so the hinges we had actually cut too short, so they were pivoted right around to there and they were hitting the tube frame before they opened far enough. So we've added a little to these ones and we put our longer ones in there so there's more of an angle tipped forward on them to get clearance. We set the trunk frame up with all of the parts that we showed you, with a 1/4-inch shim for the thickness of the fiberglass, and there's the trunk frame all fitted up to the car. You can see how nicely it lines up all the way around. We've got nice uniform alignment, pretty well centered. We've actually got it set up and latching now, so we can undo the latch and you can see how far the trunk frame opens. And yeah, you can close that up again, bud. And so there's the trunk hinged, aligned to the body opening and latched and ready for a skin. Yeah, we just tacked all the parts in place with the frame all supported, tacked the hinges, tacked the latch hook, and tacked the last couple of joins on the frame together. Made sure everything lined up. Then we fully welded everything and we've just put it back on the car and you can see it lines up pretty nicely. So there's trunk part 2. The next part, which is a lot trickier, which we're going to move on to, is the doors. And we're doing a similar method where we're putting the plates on there. We'll put 1/4-inch shims behind them, but I'd like to talk a little more about the hinges before I get too much into the doors. We'll be back.